Hey guys, this is PC Solutions. We just got the parts for the new
Gaming computer.
the gaming PC that we're gonna start getting together. Putting together. So we got the motherboard, brand new, the processor, and the case. And also we have the memory. It's gonna be a DDR4, 8 gigs. The hard drive, all the parts to be able to get the gaming computer set up. All right, we're gonna start working on it as soon as we get a little bit more progress. Then we're gonna take another video. Thank you. All right, so right now we're gonna put the processor. Which is that one? I think that one is
AMD.
AMD. Alright, the processor is already there. So now we're gonna put the fan that goes on top of it. Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Alright, so now we're gonna put the memory, which is gonna be 8 gigabytes
DDR4.
DDR4. Then we're gonna get. And this motherboard has 4 slots, so you can put 4 8 gigs. You can go all the
Saved
way
by
to,
32 gigabyte.
32. Yep.
8 by 4, 32. DDR4.
Alright, so now we're gonna take out the case from the box. Alright guys, this is the case. As you can see, there's nothing inside. And we're gonna start putting everything inside.